Taking my kids to kindergarten. Look at my kids waiting for me outside. This is the first snow in Germany. 1st December. So give me a chance. Don't fall there.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama, wir haben es.
Schau mal.
Mama, wir haben es.
Schau vorne. Guys, look at. We woke up to this. This is first snow for 2020.
Mama, dann kommt Nikolaus.
Was?
Dann kommt Nikolaus.
Nikolaus. Look at the trees. Oh my god. Yes, nice. These are secondary school students playing with the snow. Oh, Christmas is here. I hate snow because it makes everywhere dirty. Huh?
Mama, was du mit etwa mir Schnee gewürfelt
So feel the snow, yeah? Oh my god. My son said since snow fell today, then tomorrow is Christmas. Warte auf mich bitte. Samto. Samto, warte. Man, I hate this snow, eh? Now everywhere will be very, very dirty. Go. Warte auf Mama. Look at the cars. Ihr kann laufen. Aber nicht rennen. We are just walking to their school, to their kindergarten. Morgen. People are clearing the snow because if I fall here, good morning. If you don't, here in Germany, if you don't clean the front of your house and someone falls there, you have to pay what they call fine. We call it your Strafe. So these people, they have not cleaned their own. So if I just this time now, just fall for here. We'll not have fun. Let me show you guys my boys' kindergarten. So this is their kindergarten. It actually starts from here, from this building. It's quite a lot of it actually. Langsam. This is still the kindergarten. This is still their kindergarten. This is the main entrance of their kindergarten and it ends somewhere there. Show it, Austin. Munachimo, come here, come here, come here, come here. So what you guys just saw now is the, I don't know if I will call it a car, yeah, that cleans the snow. I think it was sent from the government to clean up the kindergarten for the kids. Yeah. So right now I am going home to relax till I pick them up again in 7 hours. Oh, wow. I hate snow. But one of the reasons why I love snow is it makes your body to be fresh. You can just be fresh anyhow, you know. Oh wow. So guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.